Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ. This front wheel drive vehicle has 29,210 miles on it, has never been reported in any accidents, and only has had one owner. It comes with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, your back tinted windows, and 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Pioneer speaker system, jet black leather seating with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.